Greetings, Goombas, for this is your project and work for today during Ms. Anto's and my MTSS class. This is your final project for the Heartwood book, and this is going to be constructing an essay about how the four connect past and present. Let's get started with the instructions. So here are your instructions. Hello, students. Miss Anto and I are attending a school tech conference in Helena on Monday. Miss Anto will be trapped in a small room with a large polar bear during this time and will be unavailable for instruction. Here are your instructions for Monday. Things that must be completed today. The items you will need are notebook paper, a pencil, and the Heartwood book. Your assignment is to begin constructing the outline of your essay. The essay will be 6 paragraphs long. What do you need to complete today? You must complete your intro paragraph and complete the first sentence of the body paragraphs. Instructions will be incoming. For paragraph 1, you will be writing your introductory paragraph. You will give a brief synopsis of the book, talking about the main characters, the setting, the plot summary, etc. You will end the intro paragraph with a thesis statement, aka a preview of what your paper will be all about. You have your entire essay to go into details and explain, so a list of the 4 is sufficient, though you must write a complete sentence. Ms. Anto has given you an example of a thesis statement below. For paragraph 2, this is your first body paragraph, and you will begin by answering the question, which of the 4 do Kelly and her grandpa find first? Use the next 3 sentences to provide more detail about this item, including a direct quote from the book and the page you found it on. End this with a concluding sentence to emphasize the significance of what they find. For paragraphs 3 through 5, you will begin by answering the question, which of the 4 do Kelly and her grandpa find next? Use the next 3 sentences to provide more detail on what they found, including a direct quote from the book and the page you found it on. You will end each of these paragraphs with a concluding sentence to emphasize the significance of the item that they found. And for paragraph 6, this is your conclusion paragraph. Sit tight. We'll cover this on Wednesday and Friday. A few reminders. You will be graded based on your writing rubric, the writing rubric that's hanging on the wall in Miss Anto's room. Your essay will be graded by both me and Miss Anto and will be worth 210 points. That is 10 times the number from our writing rubric on the wall. Each paragraph must contain a minimum of 5 sentences. I will say it again, a minimum of 5 sentences. If it takes more, that's okay, but just not less. And a reminder for all you little Goombas, sub days are 1 strike days. Well, that about wraps it up for today. We hope you are able to complete everything as necessary and required. If you have any questions, please talk to your substitute teacher. If not, we will see you on Wednesday. Goodbye, Goombas.